Now, oh, his thing,
Yeah.
the hexapod.
Okay.
I think there's a, discussing it with him on Sunday, I think there's a fundamental, I'd like to say software because I'm not a software guy.
Oh,
What'd she say?
don't take his word for anything.
Thanks, Ruth. Well, it's a good thing I'm recording our sound here. She, he's using, oh,
What did you say about her?
Ruthless.
Show me some.
We're discussing the fact that he's using one reference frame, and we've got an item that's moving and a stationary item, none of which are in a known mechanically perfect spot in the reference frame, in a coordinate system.
He's gonna make a device.
Okay, I'm still worried about that. Will make that.
Well, come on, let me tell you what we're doing.
Oh, okay. See, because even with this, he calibrates off of the table after it's it's in a known spot, and can recalibrate at any point in time in case of moving.
Well, I'm gonna calibrate my part instead of calibrating the robot because it's really hard for me and programming.
Yeah, I know. Especially with all that crap, having
He was
everything.
thinking about a compensation table.
No, not compensation table.
Well, I mean, it's going to be some kind of compensation.
We don't have 3D compensation tables in the turbo.
Well, and that.
All right, I'm done. Oh, wait, now it goes.